privilege to start off the kids' fun run, so we're going to go 3, 2, 1, go on my mark. Let's hear a loud cheer from our participants and our spectators here. Cheer on these kids as they run around the perimeter of the Chicken Run Strong Family Farm Field. On 3, 1, 2, 3, go! They're off, ladies and gentlemen, taking off around the perimeter of the field. Making sure to get plucky and super plucky, a high five on the way around. Kids Fun Run brought to you by M&T Bank. We welcome our Kids Fun Run.
Go now, go, yay! Come on! We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there.
Participants coming around the final turn. Let's put our hands together for our children and our Kids Fun Run, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, that wraps it up, our Kids Fun Run, brought to you by M&T Bank. Let's take the time to thank some more of our sponsors for today's event, including Santini Villa Apartments, Gaudier Fuel, Kingwood Art, The Barnyard, Ray Page Plumbing, and Marta Robinson and DeFelice Law Firm. Author in residence Lori Sanchez and cleaning for Chicken in the Stroller. We also have on site a longtime volunteer since she was 5 years old, Miss Teen Talon County, Alexis Hayes, with other area Miss Teens helping to lead the walkers for today's race. Again, 9 o'clock start time.
Have a little bit of... Yeah, you level.
We have to stay at the orange cones. Like, where is it exactly starting?
30 in the morning, we're done, and we came home. Well, at least he's right there. Exactly. But you wake up, I figured you have to at your house because they're gone.
Runners ready? Go!
You're not alone.
We tried running last year.
We ran, stop, shut her off. whatever you see, go ahead.
Cancer responds really, really well to pink. It doesn't respond well to everything has vibration. You got it.
They take like 3 or 4 minutes to first.
For our 10th annual Frog Family Farm Chicken Run, led by Charlie from the Last Mile Racing on the lead bike. Let's hear it for our first finishers for 2023. From Marlboro, Connecticut, congratulations to David McKay. Alessandro Macchi coming from Newington, Connecticut, closely behind in second place. And our third place finisher for the 2023 Chicken Run, Sam Holwer. From Vernon, Connecticut, congratulations to Alex Ganaris. Closely behind, congratulations, Josh Martin. Let's keep our hands together as Emmett Kristoff comes across. And our first female finisher, Adrienne. Woo! Put your hands together from Vernon, Connecticut, Chris Lindahl. Our second female finisher from Colchester, Connecticut, Danielle King-Watkins. Our third female finisher from Stores, Connecticut, Julia Fernandez. From Vernon, Connecticut, Parker Bird. Running from Enfield, Connecticut, congratulations, Ken Clark.
So, what I'm saying here, right, is that the device that I use to measure.
From Middlefield, Connecticut, John Cahill.
So, that would be a good test.
Our neighbor from South Windsor, Stephen Johnson.
Data is like never not
From Coventry, Kayla Lujambio. From Vernon, Connecticut, Angel Barzana. Congratulations, Alexander Raffo. From South Windsor, Greta Johnson. From Ellington, Connecticut, David Slaughter.
right.
Congratulations, Michael Anati. From Glastonbury, Connecticut, Sandra Badney. Running from Enfield, Connecticut, Philip Comer. From Ellington, Connecticut, congratulations, Rick Roy. Congratulations, David Eager. Congratulations, Dan Sorrentino. From Vernon, Allison Camiso. booth with Clucky and Super Clucky to pick up your medal or trophy. As we congratulate Jensen Hurd and Torin Matchnick coming across the finish line. From Stafford Springs, Rick Hewitt. From Tallinn, Connecticut, Samantha Keenan. From Vernon, Connecticut, Stephen Tolman. Running behind his neighbor from Manchester, Joe Kidder. From South Windsor, Soriana Bashir. From Ellington, Connecticut, Sarah Stasiowski. Congratulations, Megan Floyd, Nate Linner, and Brendan King. From Springfield, Massachusetts, Dylan Ward. Congratulations, Renee Logan. Runners, make sure you're smiling as you cross the finish line. Scott Reed from Glastonbury Sports Photography is on site taking your finish line photo. Running from New Jersey, congratulations, Andrea Luciano. Clucky and Super Clucky across from the DJ booth. Let's congratulate Carolina Lujambio from Coventry, Connecticut, across the finish line. From Ellington, Connecticut, Andy Roy. Congratulations, Tyler Olson from Manchester, Connecticut. Another shout out to our community emergency response team and the Vernon Police Explorers for helping keep our race course safe today. From Middlefield, Connecticut, Caitlin Cahill. Congratulations, Isabella Bone. Erica Kane across the finish line from Manchester, Connecticut. Congratulations, Erica Hanlon. Visit the award booth with Clucky or Super Clucky to pick up a medal or trophy. From Broadbrook, Connecticut, congratulations, Jamie Sidoria, James Farrell and Kimmy Farrell across the finish line. From East Hartford, Connecticut, Tracy Freeman. Following Tracy, Elaine Sullivan and Sarah Landon. From Bolton, Connecticut, Esther Matchnick. Congratulations to Yorka Janelle Alvarez and Jennifer Batista. From Kansas, Connecticut, Lizzie Bozeman.
I'm Miss Carter Rock Hills Team 2023.
From Southwind. Running from Massachusetts, Amy Seeley. From Ellington, Connecticut, Nikita Kamarad. Barbara Maloney. It's going to be a close finish. Susan Izzo. Congratulations, Catherine Sheeman and Aaliyah Wilfer. Connecticut, Karen Zaborowski. To pick up your award.
Hi, congratulations.
From Vernon, Connecticut, congratulations, Haley Donahue.
Can I photobomb it?
Hey, what's up?
Take a picture. I'll get out of the way.
Alright, everybody smile, guys. Everybody smile for the chicken run.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, there we go. I got tickets, man? This is my first one.
Congratulations.
My first 5K.
Get a picture with Plucky, our chicken.
I know it's all the way down Center Road. We had to. Which year were you both? We had
From Vernon, Connecticut, let's welcome Moises Roman. Running from Unionville, Connecticut, congratulations, Rosemary Yorka and Providence.
Go up a hill. Jennifer's not running. I'm doing it. Thank you.
No bicycle.
Most of them are kind of gone at this point.
I need to check the awards list to see.
Yes, that would be great.